It's time for the Masters, and what better way to celebrate than with an egg salad sandwich? And you can't forget about that pimento cheese. Let's get to cooking. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna light the griddle, get the sourdough toasted, and then we're gonna start mixing the egg salad, then the pimento cheese. So we got sourdough bread here. I'm really starting to become a fan of this bread. It just holds up well. Good grass-fed butter. I'm only toasting one side though. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a fan of both of these. So I don't know that I can really judge the winner, but I got enough people here that I think we're gonna be able to adequately predict a winner. Running out of room. All right, so for the eggs, this is just a regular cooling rack, and just shove it through. 6 hard-boiled eggs. This is so much easier than cutting them. I guess you could also use one of those little veggie choppers. So we have some chives, some parsley, QP mayo. This is a 1/4 cup. Now, this calls for Dijon mustard, but I'm going to use my buddy Travis Clark's Stone ground mustard. This is really good. You can also use Dijon if you like, but this is what I'm going with. And with that, we just mix. And I'm just folding this in. Just be careful with it. That's exactly what we're looking for. Gotta taste it. Ah, SPG. And Dirty Bird. Oh, got me working this bread now. There we go.
Yes,
boom.
Chef.
That was a hot corner. Pepper jack cheese. Make sure you grind your own. Actually, just got a little grinder from Walmart. Like $19. Does a fantastic job. Just make sure you leave it in the fridge to stay cold. Game changer here, softened cream cheese. Half a block, and then QP mayo once again. And then go to mix it. The cream cheese really takes it to the next level. My boy Rick turned me onto that. Pimentos, I do hear people say, well, I probably would like it if it didn't have pimentos. I don't know why you would leave pimentos out, but that's how you gotta eat it. Leave the pimentos out. If you haven't tried this. Ooh. Alright. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, that's good. Alright, you ready to build these? A little bit of lettuce, just to keep the doctors happy. A couple of tomatoes. This is a sandwich. There's one. Pimento cheese. Come on now. They both look amazing, smell amazing. I'm just gonna take a bite. Sourdough, 100% a must. 100%. Pimento cheese. This is a little bit sturdier of a sandwich. It'd pack well. Man, I don't know. They're both good. Kyle, you want to taste them? Come on in here, buddy.
Do I need to get on my knee?
Yeah. Yeah. Take a knee, son. Mm-hmm.
You like the egg?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think egg as well.
Egg wins. The SPG and the Dirty Bird in there, next level. Next level. The double pepper cow cover in the pimento cheese is fire too. Don't get me wrong. If you would have put this on crackers and then hit it with double pepper, That's it. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like what we're doing, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Print this off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. These are good, dude. You're missing out.
What is that?
That puts a set of nuts under this thing.